नहमदुहु व नुसल्ली अला रसूलिहिल करीम अम्मा बाद अऊज़ु बिल्लाहि मिनश शैतानिर रजीम बिस्मिल्लाहिर रहमानिर रहीम क़ाल अल्लाहु तआला इन्ना हुदल्लाहि हुवल हुदा व क़ाल रसूलुल्लाहि सल्लल्लाहु अलैहि वसल्लम खैरुकुम मन तअल्लमल कुरआन व अल्लमा सदक़ल्लाहुल अज़ीम व सदक़ रसूलुहुल करीम रब्बी श्रह ली सदरी व यस्सिर ली अमरी वहलुल उक़्दतम मिन लिसानी यफ़क़हू क़ौली अल्लाहुम्मा अरहिमनी बिल कुरआनिल अज़ीम वजअलहु ली इमामन व नूरन व हुदन व रहमा वजअलहु ली हुज्जतन या रब्बिल आलमीन रब्बी यस्सिर वला तुअस्सिर व तम्मिम बिल खैर आमीन सुम्मा आमीन अस्सलामु अलैकुम व रहमतुल्लाहि व बरकातुहू. So now we are going to the rapid fire, which means I'm going to show you something and I want everybody, old and new, to raise their hand. And because there are 30 people I can see online, let's see, 31, mashallah. So in 31 people, we all have to take maybe one or two ways to turns to answer all these questions. So first, I'm going to give you what am I expecting, and then you guys play this along with me, inshallah. Okay, so what did I do? All right. Okay, so if I give you the word ghafaru, yeah, I'm going to probably give you the meaning also. They all forgive. And then your job is to tell me what is the pronoun we're dealing with. For example, in this case, it's the home, yeah? And then the suffix is wow, yes? Everybody understand what I'm asking here?
Yes.
Okay, so the next one is ghafarat. Sister Iram, what is ghafarat means?
She forgave.
She forgave, mashallah. What is the pronoun?
Hiya.
Hiya, mashallah. And what is the suffix?
Ta with sukoon.
Ta with sukoon. Actually, when we deal with huwa and hiya, we say this is hidden. Yes?
Yes. Okay.
So we don't say ista.
Right.
So we will say hidden. Yeah.
Hidden. Okay. What's that?
Okay, good. Ghafara, brother Niazi,
Yes.
can you look at the screen? I'm looking for Ghafara. You have your hand raised.
Okay. Oh, sorry. Yeah, maybe before. Okay, no problem. I can answer. So, what is your question? The
Question
Ghafara,
is Ghafara. What is the meaning of Ghafara?
he forgave.
He forgave. And what is the pronoun in it?
It is hidden. No,
Yeah.
okay. The name. Okay. Huwa.
Huwa. And it is hidden. MashaAllah. Jazakallah khair. Okay. So the next one. So the people who have already answered, try not to raise your hand unless we get to a new list. Okay. So far, are you guys with me? Like what's going on? Do you think this exercise will help us? Okay.
Yes.
Ghafara. Sister Unaiza?
Ghafara would be home and vowel.
No, Ghafara. Look at this one. Ghafara with the alif.
Oh, with the alif. Sorry.
Yeah.
Ghafara with the would be huma, and the suffix would be alif with the
Okay.
sukun.
And what is the translation or the meaning?
Ghafara, I think, is
They too forgive.
they too forgive.
Is it masculine or feminine?
Masculine.
Masculine. And it's huma and it is alif. Everybody agrees? Okay, good. Ghafarna. I need another hand. Come on, I need everybody to answer these questions. And we don't have a whole lot of time. Okay, so Brother Ijaz, go ahead.
They all gave.
They all forgave. Okay.
Yeah.
And what is the pronoun?
No.
Nahnu. And what is the suffix?
No.
Na. Okay, so we got to speed up a little bit because if we go with this speed, I think the whole class will be done in this. We have a lot of charts. So inshallah, let's focus. Brother Tahir, Ghafarti.
So Farti is a female.
Yeah, what person is?
And so she. So it's a second person female. T
Yeah, so
is the
how do you
suffix
say?
and
How do you say second person? What is the pronoun?
she
No,
forgive.
not she. Anti. Yes.
And
Because
no,
she
yeah, okay.
She is
So
the third person. Second person is Anti. Yes. So
Anti,
you
yeah.
forgave. Anti is the pronoun and the suffix is the ti. Yes. Is that clear? Brother Tahir?
Yes.
Okay, good. Okay, next one. Ghafar Tuma. I had a sister name. I don't know which one was that, but somebody had their hand raised. Okay, Brother Nemat.
غفرتما, they too forgive.
Okay, that's good. But male or female? I give you the answer.
Female, female, sorry, female.
Okay. So what is the pronoun?
It's Antuma.
Antuma. And what is the suffix?
Tuma.
Very good job. Jazakallah khair. Okay, Ghafarna. I need another hand, please.
Brother, I've got a question.
Okay, you have a question? Okay.
Yeah. Tuma, second person, the Musanna is for male and female, both Tuma.
Yes, you're right.
And here, shouldn't it be two female oblique male forgive?
Okay,
Yeah.
that's right. So you can say this is male or female forgive. So that's correct. Okay.
Thank you.
Sister, Jazakallah. Amirun Nisa, wa Islam, Ghafarna.
They too female forgave.
Okay, Ghafarna. See, there is the Ghafarna with the noon, with the fatha. Ghafarna. Two or more than two?
Yeah, more than two.
More than two.
More
So
than two, yeah.
they all female forgive.
Forgive.
What is the pronoun?
Unna.
Unna, mashallah. And what is the suffix?
Na.
This noon with the fatha. Yes. Okay, good. Shabaz, brother Shabaz, Ghafar tum.
Ghafartum is you all forgive.
You all forgive?
Yeah, and antum, and that's male.
Antum, male. Okay, very good. And what is
And
the
suffix is tum.
very good job, mashallah. Brother Faiz, you're next. Ghafar tuma.
Ghafartuma.
Yeah. So imagine we already did Ghafar tuma. So it's combined between male and female. So I just give you a
So
little.
it's again you to male forgive.
Okay, so we can take it to male here. And what is the pronoun here?
Pronoun would be antuma.
Antuma, very good. And what is the suffix?
Tuma.
Very good job. So is it a second person or a third person or first person? Ghafartuma.
It will be second person.
Very good job. Okay, Ghafarta, go ahead.
Yeah, it's you left, you
So
forgive.
Ghafarta, you forgive. Now
You
is
forgive.
it male or female?
It's female. Sorry, male. Second person.
Pronoun
Anta,
is anta,
anta,
and
and
the
ta.
suffix? Ta. Mashallah. Good job. Jazakallah khair. Okay, who is next? Let's see. Ghafarata. Who can
It
do
is
this?
third person.
Third person.
And, yeah, and this is Musanna. You too forgive.
Okay, Musanna means monas. You meant monas, yes?
Musanna means a dual.
Dual. And the
Right.
gender is female.
Female. Yeah.
Okay, so what is the pronoun?
Pronoun is huma and the suffix is ta.
Ta. Good job. I mean alif, because ta is part of the monas, right?
Okay.
Ghafar tu. Sister Romana, you had your hand up.
Ghafar tu,
Ghafar tu.
I forgave.
I forgive. Very good. Male or female?
Both.
Both. Okay. Ana, right? And
Yes.
what is the suffix?
No.
No, tu, right?
Sorry, two. Yes.
Because it's singular. Yes.
Yes,
Okay.
yes. Two.
Last one, Sister Lubna, Ghafar tunna.
Ghafartunna.
Yeah.
Ghafartunna is a female.
Yeah.
Antunna.
Okay, but what is the translation? Ghafar tunna?
They all female.
Is tunna.
Okay.
Look, is tunna second person, right?
Yeah.
Oh, so you all.
You all. Yeah. You
Give.
all.
Female.
Yeah.
Forgive.
Female.
What is the pronoun?
Pronoun is antunna.
Antunna. And what is the suffix?
Tunna.
Brother Munirul Zaman, please go ahead. And what is this? Sami'tu?
I heard.
I heard. Are you sure? Very good. What is the pronoun?
Ana.
Quickly. Ana. Very good. And what is the suffix?
Tu.
Tu. Very good job. Okay, Brother Sharik. Sami'at.
She hears.
She heard. Okay, good.
She heard. Sorry.
What is the pronoun?
Here.
Yeah. And what is the suffix?
It's hidden.
Very good job. Okay, Sami'u. Who wants to go next? Sister Lubna? Go ahead. Sister Iram, you're next, inshallah. Sister Lubna, you want to answer this or should I pass it on?
Yes.
Okay.
Samuel is they heard.
They heard. They all heard.
They all
Okay.
heard.
Pronoun?
And pronoun is whom.
Whom. And the suffix
and
is?
the suffix is waw alif.
Very good job. Okay. Sister Noor, Sister Iram, Sami'tunna.
They all female heard.
They all female heard. So what is the pronoun, inshallah?
Tunna.
And the suffix?
That is tunna.
The suffix is tunna and the pronoun
Yes.
was antuma.
Antunna.
Anybody else?
Yeah.
Brother Jas, go ahead.
Sametoma, you both heard.
You both heard, male or female, yes?
Male or female.
Okay. What are the
Antuma.
Antuma?
Antuma.
Yes.
And Tuma.
Very good. Brother Javed, they all female heard, hunna, and the suffix is na. Okay. Sami'ta. Sister Lubna, Sami'ta.
Samekta is Wahad Muzakkar Haza.
Yeah, just give me the meaning first.
Oh, you heard.
You heard, okay, and the pronoun is
Antuma.
Anta. Yes.
Anta. Sorry. Yeah.
And
Anta.
it's ta. Okay.
Ta.
Sister Homa, Sami'ta.
Sameta is a third person. They
no, it's a second person, right? Is it? Is it third person? Yeah, you're right. You're right. I'm just confusing you.
Oh, sorry, no problem. It is third person, and Sameta is for female.
Female.
And it is they heard.
They too female.
They too heard. Sorry,
yes.
They too heard.
And the pronoun is?
The pronoun is huma, and the suffix is alif.
Good job. Okay. Brother Nemat, Sami'na. Okay, if you don't know, please you can pass. No reason to worry.
Yes, they all.
No, na is first person, second person, or third person.
This is second person.
No, Sami'na first person.
Okay.
Yeah.
Sami'na first person. Okay.
We all heard. We all heard. Yes. So what is the pronoun here? Sister Anjum, what is the pronoun here?
We heard or I
Is it nahnu?
Okay, nahnu, that's correct. And what is the suffix?
Na.
Very good job. Sister Anjum, I have your hand up. Would you like to answer?
Yeah, you female, you heard. This is
You
female.
heard. She. You heard. She, right?
Yeah.
Okay. And the suffix is anti.
Anti and ti.
Okay, good. Brother Wasim, Sami'tuma.
Yeah. So
yeah.
Samituma.
First thing, ask yourself
So it's
if
you.
this is, yeah, go ahead.
You too heard.
You too heard. Very good. And what is the pronoun?
Antuma
Antuma. And the suffix?
is suffix is
Tuma. Yes.
Tuma.
Okay. Good. Okay. Sami'a.
Sami'a is
Okay. First
can't
person, second person, third person. You need to have a starting point. Yeah.
it's Sami'a is the second person.
Second person. Are we correct about that? Is it third person, by the way?
Third.
Third person is oh yes, so it's a dual third person.
Okay. So they
Huma.
They too heard. Yes.
Yeah.
Okay. And is it male or female?
It's a male.
Okay. So the huma is the pronoun and the suffix is
So
alif. Yes. Okay. Brother Ahmed, you're on. Sami'a. What is that?
He heard.
He heard. Mashallah. Okay. And huwa and
It's hidden. Mustatir.
Sami'tum, brother Faiz. Sami'tum.
Yes, Sami'tum would be second person male. You, they all heard.
No. If you're second person, then it will be you.
Oh, you all heard, sorry.
You all heard.
Yeah.
And the pronoun?
And then pronoun will be antum and suffix will be tum.
Very good job. Jazakallah khair.